All right, so we're gonna test fire these. First one, we're gonna test fire the regular artillery shell spikes out of the Spikes Tactical here. Okay. Turn safety off. All right, fire in the hole. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. All right, so that one did not work. Shell is in one piece. Did not light. Okay, second one. Okay. All right, little after action. I did a little quick test fire. So it rained a little bit here, and so it was wet outside. So I figured I'd fire 2 rounds off before it got too late. These are the artillery shell rounds that I loaded a couple days ago. I fired 1 Whistler, as you probably saw, and this was the Whistler. And I fired 1 standard, just a standard fireworks star. The fireworks star, it launched. It did not get good ignition, so it failed in that aspect. It did launch, however. The Whistler launched, and it actually performed like it was supposed to. So as far as both the launches go, as you can see, the shells are in good condition. They're not broken. They're not coming apart or anything. Even with those layer lines and bad layer adhesions, one guy chastised me for my printing skills. I'm like, dude, this is like a 1/4 inch thick. I'm not too worried about this first base layer. These were coals anyway. It's not something I would sell to the public as first. So if I'm going to call it and I feel like it's safe, I'll use it. This is more representative of what I would be selling as far as the shell goes. You can see the powder residue, and it's good to go. Everything went bang like it was supposed to. This is what they look like loaded. Glued on cap. Still got whole bandolier up here left. So let's see, this is a Whistler. I'm gonna put it back down here. I'll have to load 2 more. 1 Whistler and 1 standard. But that's all right. That happens when you fuse it. Sometimes if you don't get a really good fuse set in there, it won't ignite properly. It happens. But overall, I'm fine with that. Where I hang my bandoliers. So that's that. That's pretty much it. No reason to ramble on too long about that, but I'll be loading more, and then I'll eventually have these for sale on eBay. So try to price them as fair as I can, and they'll come with a couple of caps, probably 2 or 3 caps a piece. So if you need caps, or if you don't want to use caps, you don't have to. But this one's a prototype. It actually houses the round inside of it, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to fly properly because of the length. So that's why I didn't do it just but 1. I'll test fire it and see where it goes. But these definitely work. They are thick, and that was with 50 grains of 777. So that's it, everybody. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.